Scientists estimate that only 10% of all the species on the planet have been described. Even among the most well-known group of animals, mammals, scientists think we have only found 80% of species. Unfortunately, many new species of plants, fungi, and animals are assessed as vulnerable or critically endangered with extinction. Although a species may be new to science, it may already be well known to locals and have a common name. For instance, indigenous people often know about species long before they are discovered by Western science. Here are 5 species discoveries from 2022. Number 1. Peruvian Amazon frog. In the Peruvian Amazon, herpetologists followed a distinctive frog call to one of the rarest habitats in the forest, the Amazon peatlands. There, researchers dug up a new species of burrowing frog, Synapterinus danta. The frog has been nicknamed the tapir frog for its distinctive-looking snout. The species was known to locals but had yet to be described by science. Number 2. The Wakatobi sunbird. A group of researchers in the tropical Wakatobi Islands in central Indonesia found several new species of sunbirds. The tiny archipelago is also part of the Wallacea region that many scientists consider a living laboratory for the study of evolution, with endemic species being newly identified to science in recent years. The researchers said their findings reinforce recommendations to protect the Wakatobi Islands as an endemic bird area, especially as so much remains unknown to the scientific community. Number 3. Colorful reef fish from Maldives. A colorful reef fish from the Maldives is the first new-to-science species described by a Maldivian scientist. The fish, Cerylobris finifenma, was named by Ahmed Najib, a biologist from the Maldives Marine Research Institute MMRI, after the local word for rose. Subtle physical differences in DNA analyses confirmed the rose-veiled fairy wrasse is a separate species from the already known rosy scales fairy wrasse Cerylobris rubrisquamus. Researchers say the newly described fish is already being sold for the aquarium trade, calling it unsettling when a fish is already being commercialized before it even has a scientific name. Number 4. Anemone from Japan. A newly described anemone species has been found off the coast of Japan and appears to live exclusively on the shells of one hermit crab species. First-of-their-kind video recordings of the hermit crab and anemone duo show the hermit crab moving to a new shell and spending more than 40 hours poking, peeling and dragging the anemone to come along. Researchers believe the hermit crab and anemone are in an obligate symbiotic relationship, or that they need each other to survive. The anemone eats falling debris and protects the hermit crab from parasites and predators, and in turn, gets to hitch a ride to fresh feeding grounds. Number 5. New flower from Honduras. A new tree species found in the rainforests of Nicaragua and Honduras was named Carpatroche caceresii after Berta Isabel Caceres Flores, an indigenous activist from Honduras who was killed in 2016 for her opposition to a major dam project. The tree grows up to 15 meters 45 feet tall and has white, star-like flowers. It's assessed as near threatened with extinction on the IUCN Red List. Berta Caceres was awarded the prestigious Goldman Environmental Prize in 2015 for waging a grassroots campaign that successfully pressured the world's largest dam builder, Chinese state-owned Sinohydro, to pull out of a dam project slated for construction on the sacred Gualcarque River. Over the past decade, 1,733 environmental defenders have been killed worldwide trying to protect their land, according to a report by Global Witness.